And now there's a political face-off with regard to the IT panel that is escalating. Now remember, the Bharatiya Janata Party members are objecting to the presence of Information Technology Committee Chairperson Shashi Tharoor's presence is being objected by the BJP during these meetings because BJP members have written to the Lok Sabha Speaker for an alleged breach of confidentiality of the panel proceedings. Now, the panel, remember, with the chairperson Shashi Tharoor needs to be there in the meetings. However, that has now been written to the Lok Sabha Speaker seeking action against officials of 3 ministries who skipped the panel meeting on 28 July. Officials of IT, Home and Telecom are refusing to attend the meeting, citing other formal commitments. Information Technology Ministry is claiming that they had informed the IT panel on 23rd of July about the non-availability of officials for this specific meeting. So that's the news coming in. Remember, the Information Technology Committee meetings are in the news because there is a demand by the opposition members of parliament to have government representatives in the meeting to discuss the Israeli spyware Pegasus showdown. And Rahul Srivastava for further details on that. Rahul, what is precisely happening? Because Shashi Tharoor is, as a chairman, isn't he supposed to be there in the meetings? How is the BJP referring to the confidentiality aspect to it? And I also realize that there's been another letter that has been written, and that perhaps is why the ministry representatives are not coming for this meeting. So what's happening here?
You see, Pooja, if I sum up the whole picture,
yes.
What is happening is that the protests on the street between political parties first came to the house. We were just looking at that whatever are the political differences on the street are now reverberating inside the parliament. And now political differences have reached even what you call the sanctum sanctorum of parliamentary functioning, that is the standing committees, which are usually seen to be most non-partisan functioning of the parliament, where people work beyond party lines. Now, what is happening that Mr. Shashi Tharoor wanted to discuss the Pegasus issue. He says that the officials did not come for the meeting, and he is complaining to the speaker about it. Now, there is one element that the BJP MPs are objecting to. What they have been saying for the last now couple of years is that Mr. Tharoor decides the agenda without discussing the agenda as per the rules inside the meeting. Usually what they are saying is that the agenda is decided in the meeting of the standing committee and then it is taken up. While Mr. Tharoor, they have been charging that he decides the agenda, goes to the media, announces it, and then it is informed to the members. The second element is the officials. Now, what official sources in the Information Technology Ministry are saying, that the decision, that the problem that the officials cannot attend the meeting was conveyed prior to the meeting. The MPs are alleging, the BJP MPs are alleging that Mr. Shashi Tharoor cancelled the meeting, claiming that there is no quorum available.
Okay.
That means adequate number are not there. So once the meeting is been cancelled, how can Mr. Tharoor complain the officials
Rahul, and the bigger issue remains whether Pegasus, that is being pushed so much by the Congress party and the opposition as united, does it really become an issue that could corner the government, that could become an election issue in the next few months or even for 2024? Or are they then beating a dead horse? Rahul Srivastava, thank you so much. I'll come back to you shortly.